A dog is the adornment of a beautiful and decorated home. While many people see their home as a place for furnishings, art and other decorations, few would argue against the idea that the most beloved decoration is often the family pet. For millions of households around the world, that adornment comes in the form of their faithful canine companion, their dog. Dogs have been beloved family members and protectors for centuries, and they continue to play an important role in beautifying and enriching our living spaces. Aside from being just a cute and cuddly addition to the couch or bed, dogs add immense value to the home in many ways. Their presence adds life, joy and laughter that nothing inanimate could ever do. Walking through the front door after a long day, the dog's enthusiastic greeting and wagging tail are proven to reduce stress and boost mood. The bond between humans and dogs releases oxytocin, known as the love hormone, in both species. It plays a large role in the psychological and physical benefits of the human-canine relationship. Aesthetically, dogs are living works of art. From the tiniest teacup poodle to the giant Great Dane, dog breeds come in a fascinating variety of shapes, sizes, coats and colors. Their fur, eyes, facial features, every detail is a masterpiece of nature's design. And unlike a painting on a wall, dogs are constantly in motion, whether they're playing, sleeping or just curiously observing the world. The animation and life they bring to a place is beautifully unique. Beyond appearance, the care and love we give our canine companions through grooming, training, exercise and quality time enhances their role in beautifying our homes. In addition, dogs are wonderful ambassadors who welcome and entertain visitors. A wagging tail and an enthusiastic hello from a furry friend is a warm welcome that immediately puts guests at ease. The social proof and sense of security provided by the presence of a dog also adds to the attractiveness and decoration of the home. Many buyers even cite the presence of a resident dog as a deciding factor when choosing a home to buy. In real estate, dogs undoubtedly add curb appeal and help sell homes faster. The unconditional love, constant companionship and round-the-clock protection provided by dogs also allows their human families to feel safe, cared for and rooted and thus, more comfortable in their living spaces. Happiness, peace and beauty can be found everywhere in the dog house. Their contagious spirit is truly the most precious ornament that adorns a home with love, laughter and memories to last a lifetime. Dogs truly make a home a beautiful and meaningful place to live in every sense of the word. Finally, while furniture, art, plants, and other decorations serve important aesthetic functions, it's really dogs that take an ordinary home and turn it into a warm, welcoming, and loving home. Their presence adds unparalleled value that enriches our lives and living spaces in profound ways. No static decoration can ever replace the vibrancy, love and joy that dogs